Before the season ends, I want to leave you with something I've seen up close. Hope doesn't look like a breakthrough. It looks like ordinary people doing hard things quietly. It sounds like an oxygen machine humming in the back. Not dramatic, not inspiring, just someone choosing life over pride. It looks like a phone on a table, a number you almost didn't dial, because pride is loud and fear is even louder. But you have called anyway, choosing repair over silence. That is hope. It looks like tying your shoes on a morning you feel heavy. No motivation, no applause. But you are walking anyway. That's hope too. Not certainty, not optimism, movement. Here is what most people don't realize. Our nervous systems copy each other. If stress spreads, hope spreads too. Every time you refuse to collapse, every time you choose connection, every time you move when it would be easier to stay stuck, someone else feels safer. You may even know who. And if tonight you haven't have hope to give, borrow it from routine, from someone steady, from a simple decision to take one small step. Because hope doesn't roar, it hums, it dials, it walks, and that is enough.